In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read WhatsApp messages secretly without blue ticks. Let's start with a quick explanation of what we're actually changing. On WhatsApp, those blue ticks appear when you've opened and read a message. By adjusting a few settings, you can stop those blue ticks from showing, so other people won't know you've read their messages. You'll still receive messages as normal, but your read status will stay private. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the main chat screen. From here, you need to access the app's hobby settings. On most Android phones, you can do this by tapping the three dots in the top right corner and then selecting Settings. On an iPhone, tap the Settings tab at the bottom of the screen. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for the word Settings somewhere on the main screen. Once you're inside Settings, find the section labeled Privacy. This is where WhatsApp controls who can see your personal information, like your last seen, profile photo, and, importantly, your read receipts. Go ahead and tap on Privacy to open it. In the Privacy menu, scroll until you see the option called Read Receipts. This is the setting that controls whether blue ticks appear for your messages. By default, this is usually turned on. To read messages secretly, you'll want to turn this off. Just tap the switch next to Read Receipts so it's no longer highlighted or green, depending on your phone. With Read Receipts turned off, other people will no longer see blue ticks when you read their messages. Instead, they'll only see the double gray ticks, which simply mean the message was delivered to your phone, not necessarily read. There are a couple of important things to keep in mind. When you disable Read Receipts, it works both ways. That means you also won't be able to see blue ticks when other people read your messages. You're basically trading some visibility for more privacy. Also, this setting doesn't apply to group chats. In group conversations, read receipts are always on, so people will still know when you've seen messages there. If you ever change your mind and want blue ticks back, just return to the same privacy menu and turn Read Receipts on again. It's a simple switch, so you can adjust it anytime based on how private you want your chats to be. That's all you need to secretly read WhatsApp messages without sending blue ticks.